Alright, let's see how many takes it takes for me to do this right. This is my second 10C bag. This is a supplement to my original primary bag. The idea of this bag is so when I'm out in the bush, on a vehicle, be it snowmobile, quad, etc., I have my auxiliary or accessory kits and backup stuff. So starting with a bag, it's a home-built, upholstery-built, insulated, reinforced bag. Then I have two garbage bags that are 4-wheel. That's what I can get up here. Then here we have a bag of Vaseline soaked cotton balls for fire starting, Coughlin's wood saw for cutting wood, Noco, however you say that word, battery booster flashlight. This is what I usually go for most often, so it's up on the top. Garmin GPS, that's the second from the top. And then I got my Ontario knife for a cutting tool with a little crappy Swiss Army knife knockoff. Couple of bandages for wrapping. That goes with the other bandages in the Army surplus sewing kit. Then we have cordage here in the form of bank line, fire starter, little Nebo headlamp, little tiny thing that goes inside this pill ball for water protection and whatnot. And this one likes to turn itself on when it's pushed, so this prevents that, so the battery's there when I need it. 2 hanks of paracord, solar battery pack with cords to charge the electronics, booster cables that hook up to the booster. Then we got the Pathfinder bottle with nesting cup and lid. We got what do you call it, poncho, 2 tins full of oatmeal, Arcturus blanket over here with its bag, and some stakes that can be doubled as fire starter in a pinch if I need. And down here I got spare gloves and spare socks because those are always handy. Now let's put it all together so I can show you what it looks like when it's all done. And there it is, all bundled up, ready to go. Probably should put a shoulder strap on it, but things will get improved as time goes on.